Welcome to today's episode of Redneck Engineering. So I'm about to do the varnish on the boat. I'm not going to film it because I've done plenty of varnish work, but I just wanted to show my Redneck Engineering for staging to do the tow reel. So the previous renter of the bay, which was the previous owner of the boat, left me this baker's rack. And then for staging, what I do is I have these ladders that are an A-frame. You can get them relatively inexpensive at Harbor Freight on sale for about $80 to $100. I think they've been up about $100 lately. And then I use ramps, again also from Harbor Freight, and I just connect them with a piece of wood and I screw through them to keep them from sliding. And then I also put a screw into the top deck of the baker's rack. And then for longer spans, I will use I think this is a 2x8. And then for a stiffener, I just take some plywood and I glue and nail some stiffener strips in, and that works really, really well. And again, these stairs were here. And then I just continue on with the either 2x8s or 2x10s, I don't know. And then the stiffener really makes a big difference, so they don't flex. And then I have just a regular ladder here, and I have some screws going through it, into it, so everything is secured. So, and I have a couple entry points to get, and I have it going all the way around the boat, but I can get up on most of the ladders, but I usually just use the stairs here. So this is what it looks like here. So, and again, I'm a relatively big guy, and there's very little flex on this board here, and definitely no flex with these ramps. And then I just hold on to the lifelines. And then the baker's rack is nice and steady. And so for the varnish work that I'm doing, I just want to show you why I'm up here. First, I need to take care of some of the wear areas that came through. So I'll sand these down and put some high build varnish on that. I just marked them all around the tow rail, so I'll hit these first with a few coats of varnish, and then I will sand and varnish the whole thing. The problem if I don't mark them with the tape, as soon as I sand them and put the first coat of varnish, I forget where they are. So I definitely need the marker. So this Redneck staging actually works out quite well. So if you ever want to do some cheap staging, this is one way to do it compared to buying commercially made staging. So that's today's quick video. Just wanted to show you what I do for this. And then again, the previous owner of the boat left me an extension ladder, which works perfectly. I lean it up against the boat, against the track, and so it doesn't hit the wood. And I can get into the boat with just a few steps. And here's the old Dodger that I'm replacing. This is the one that I made. It's just getting a little thread worn. The glass needs to be replaced, and the amount of effort it's going to take me to replace the glass and fix some of the wear spots, I might as well just make the whole new one. So this is what it's going to look like when it's done. And I did add that grab rail as well, so that is wonderful. So that's about it for today's video. I just wanted to show off what I made for staging. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to more videos. Thank you.